Let's hear it for the makers, the doers, the fixers, the people who take ambition and turn it into action. Let's hear it for the facility managers who make office buildings more sustainable, the operational engineers who make the world's factories more efficient. Let's hear it for the people who lead the companies that innovate for the next generation, and the homeowners who run their homes on smart energy. These are the individuals, the organizations who impact our daily lives. To them, it's not just about balancing progress with sustainability. It's about bridging progress and sustainability for all through automation, electrification, and digitization. If we're going to do more with less, every single step counts, big and small. Let's hear it for the makers. Let's hear it for the impact makers.